Hi, my dear students. We are going to the chapter-wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. The topic is transformations. Now the questions. Here it is. If cos x plus cos y is equal to small a and sin x plus sin y is equal to small b, then prove that. First one, sin x plus y is equal to 2ab by a square plus b square. Second one, cos x plus y is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. And third one, tan x plus y is equal to 2ab by a square minus b square. Now we have to solve this. Now we have to take the given conditions taken as ratio, that is sin x plus sin y by cos x plus cos y, that is equal to sin x plus sin y is a small b and cos x plus cos y is a small a. Now we know the formula sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 and cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Now apply these two forms for both numerator and denominator. For both numerator and denominator, apply these two forms. Here sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d. From this we have to write it is, this is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Since in place of c, x, in place of d, y, whole by denominator, that is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2, that is b by a. Now here it is cos x minus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. Now sin by cos is nothing but tan x plus y by 2 is equal to b by a. That's all. Let us take x plus y is equal to theta. X plus y is equal to theta. Then it is tan theta by 2 is equal to b by a. That's why tan theta by 2 is equal to b by a. From this we have to find. The first one, second one, third one. So here from first one, what is first one? Sin x plus y. Sin x plus y. So x plus y is theta. That means sin theta. So sin theta in terms of tan, that is 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Now we have to substitute here. This is 2 times of tan theta by 2 is b by a. b by a by 1 plus b square by a square. So after taking LCM here, sin x plus y is equal to, take LCM, a square plus b square by a square, 2b by a. After simplification, this is 2ab by a square plus b square. So that is first one. We get first one, that is. Now second, that is cos x plus y. Cos x plus y. What is x plus y actually? X plus y is theta. That's why cos theta. So cos theta in terms of tan theta by 2, that is 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. 1 minus tan square theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. That is 1 minus b square by a square by 1 plus b square by a square. Now after simplification we get cos x plus y is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. So that is second one is completed. So that is cos x plus y is equal to a square minus b square by a square plus b square. Now to find third one. Now third one, that is tan x plus y. So x plus y is theta, then tan theta is equal to, actually tan theta in terms of tan formula, 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Now this is, in place of tan theta by 2, what we have to write? B by a. That's why 2 times of b by a by 1 minus b square by a square. So after simplification we get here it is 2ab by a square minus b square. Now this is tan x plus y. That's why third one completed. Tan x plus y is equal to 2ab by 2ab by a square minus b square. Now we are going to next question. Now the next question, that is, if cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5 and cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 by 7, then the value of 14 tan x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y by 2 is equal to, the first option -1, second option 0, third option 1, and the fourth option tan x plus y. Now, so take the conditions, have a ratio cos x plus cos y by cos x minus cos y is 4 by 5 by 2 by 7. So according to these two forms, we know the formula from transformations. So cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Now we have to apply these two forms here. Then it is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Since in place of c, that is x, in place of d, there it is y, whole by here minus 2 times of sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Here it is. Now we have to write the reciprocal. Here it is 2 times gets cancelled, then 2 into 7 14 by, here it is 5. So that is 14 by 5. The ratio of RHS, that is 14 by 5. Okay. Now here it is 2 gets cancelled. Now cos by sin is cot. Here it is minus. That's why minus cot x plus y by 2 into, here it is cos by sin, again cot x minus y by 2 is equal to 14 by 5. That's all. Now the result is 14 times of tan x minus y by 2 plus 5 times of cot x plus y by 2. That's why this can be converted into tan. So this can be right. Here it is minus 4 minus cot x plus y by 2 into, this can be right 1 by tan x minus y by 2 is equal to, this is 14 by 5, right? Now apply cross multiplication for this one. Here it is minus 5 times of cot x plus y by 2 is equal to 14 times of tan x minus y by 2, right? Now from that, so take that side this one, then we get 14 tan x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y by 2 is equal to 0. That's why the answer is 0. That is in second option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question depends upon this concept. Now observe the next question, that is, if cos x plus cos y plus cos z is equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y plus sin z is equal to 0, then the first option, cot x plus y by 2 is equal to the first option tan z, the second option cot z, third option minus tan z, and fourth option minus cot z. Now we have to solve this question. Now solution for this question. So from the first equation we have to write cos x plus cos y is equal to, take outside, then this is minus cos z. Here this one can be write sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin z. That's all. Now this one by that one. Now this is cos x plus cos y by sin x plus sin y is equal to RHS ratio minus cos z by minus sin z. That's all. Now here the same formula, cos c plus cos d, sin c plus sin d. So for this one, this is 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 by, here it is 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Here this is minus minus gets cancelled. Cos z by sin z is cot z. That's why these two gets cancelled. Here 2 gets cancelled. Then cos by sin is cot x plus y by 2 is equal to cot z. That's right. So which option that is? Second option. Second option gives cot z. That is the result. That's all. Now we are going to the next question. Now we are going to the next question, that is, if cos x plus cos y plus cos z is equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y plus sin z is equal to 0, then cos x minus y is equal to, now the options are, first option 1 by 2, second option 3 by 4, third option minus 1 by 2, and fourth option minus 3 by 4. Now take the given conditions, take cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos z and sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin z. So this cos x plus cos y is equal to minus cos z taken as 1, and sin x plus sin y is equal to minus sin z taken as 2. So from these two relations apply squaring and adding. So that is 1 square plus 2 square. That is cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x plus sin y whole square is equal to, this is cos minus cos z whole square is nothing but cos square z. This is sin square z. That's why cos square z plus sin square z is 1. Here expand, if this is this expand in the form of a plus b whole square. These two expansions expand in the form of a plus b whole square. That's why a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is cos square x plus cos square y plus 2 cos x cos y. Sin square x plus sin square y plus 2 sin x sin y. That's why cos square x plus sin square x is 1. Cos square y plus sin square y is 1. Okay, cos square x plus sin square x is 1 and cos square y plus sin square y is 1 from identity. Now we have to take common 2 from these two. Then 2 times of cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Then now this is in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Actually cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is nothing but what? Cos of a minus b. That is cos of x minus y. Now here it is 2 plus 2 cos x minus y is equal to 1. So 2 cos x minus y is equal to 1 minus 2. Then 2 cos x minus y is equal to minus 1. So cos x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 2. That's why that is in third option. Answer is minus 1 by 2. That is in third option. Now we are going to one more question. Now observe the next question, that is, if 2 cos theta plus 2 cos 3 theta is equal to cos alpha and 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 3 theta is equal to sin alpha, then cos 2 theta is equal to the first option minus 7 by 8 and second option 7 by 8, third option 8 by 7 and fourth option minus 8 by 7. Now to solve this question, so similar to the previous one, this question similar to previous one, that is take these two and squaring and adding it. The first one taken as 2 cos theta plus 2 cos 3 theta is equal to cos alpha. This is taken as 1. And the second one 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 3 theta is equal to sin alpha. This is taken as 2. Now apply squaring and adding. Then it is 1 square plus 2 square, that is 2 cos theta plus 2 cos 3 theta whole square plus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin 3 theta whole square is equal to cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Now from this expand these two squares in the form of perfect square, a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here it is 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos square 3 theta plus 2ab. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 cos theta cos 3 theta plus, here this is also same, 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin square 3 theta plus, so 2ab term, that is 8 sin theta sin 3 theta is equal to cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. Now from this we have to take common. So these two, write one bracket. Take common 4 from these two. Then it is 4 times of cos square theta plus sin square theta plus, from these two we have to take common 4 again. So 4 times of cos square 3 theta plus sin square 3 theta, okay, plus take common 8 from these two. Then it is 8 times of cos 3 theta into cos theta, cos 3 theta into cos theta plus sin 3 theta into sin theta is equal to, here it is 1. Okay, now that is 1. Since that is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that is 1. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha, that's why that is 1. Now here, now from this, so 4 times of cos square theta plus sin square theta, so 1. 4 times of cos square 3 theta plus sin square 3 theta, that is 1, plus 8 times of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, that is cos of 3 theta minus theta, 3 theta minus theta. Since cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A minus B, according to that form, so that is 1. Now here it is 4 plus 8 cos 2 theta is equal to 1. Now from this 8 cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 8. Since here it is 4 plus 4h. That's why, so this is minus 7. Now cos 2 theta is equal to minus 7 by 8. Cos 2 theta is minus 7 by 8. That is in first option. That's all. Okay, now we are going to one more question, depends upon this concept. Now observe the question, that is 1 minus cos A plus cos B minus cos of A plus B by 1 plus cos A minus cos B minus of cos minus the cos of A plus B is equal to the first option tan A by 2 tan B by 2, second option cot A by 2 cot B by 2, third option tan A by 2 cot B by 2, and fourth option cot A by 2 tan B by 2. Now we have to solve this question. So this is taken as 1 minus cos A plus cos B minus cos A plus B whole by, here this is 1 plus cos A minus cos B minus cos of A plus B. Now we have to rearrange the terms on both the numerator and denominator. Here this can be right 1 minus cos of A plus B. Now from these two we have to take common minus, then it is cos A minus cos B. Since we have to take common, that means we have to rearrange both the numerator and denominator. Denominator, here we have to take 1 minus cos, same 1 minus cos A plus B, here plus cos A minus cos B. Now we have to apply the formula, that is, those are cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D. Now observe this question, that's why after rearranging, so here we have to apply the formula 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, and cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D. According to that, this is taken as theta, then it is 2 sin square theta by 2. Here it is cos C minus cos D, minus 2 sin minus minus plus, that's all. Now take common 2 sin A plus B by 2 from both the numerator and denominator. 2 sin A plus B by 2 gets common and gets cancelled. In bracket there it is sin A plus B by 2 plus sin A minus B by 2. Here it is sin A plus B by 2 minus sin A minus B by 2. Now we know the formula sin A plus B plus sin A minus B is 2 sin A cos B. Here sin A plus B minus sin A minus B is 2 cos A sin B. According to that formula, here 2 gets cancelled. Sin by cos is tan, cos by sin is cot. That's why tan A by 2 cot B by 2 is the answer, that is in third option. That's all. Now we are going to one more question. Now we are going to the question, that is if cos n alpha not equal to 0 and cos alpha by 2 not equal to 0, then sin n plus 1 alpha, n plus 1 into alpha minus sin n minus 1 into alpha by cos n plus 1 alpha plus the 2 cos n alpha plus the cos n minus 1 alpha is equal to the first option tan alpha by 2, second option cot alpha by 2, third option tan alpha, and fourth option cot alpha. Now this can be rearranged the given expression, that means sin n plus 1 alpha minus sin n minus 1 alpha by the numerator, denominator slightly change the rearrangement of denominator cos n plus 1 alpha, cos n minus 1 alpha, that is 2 sin n alpha. Now here multiply with alpha both the numerator and denominator, that means here it is sin n alpha plus alpha, multiply means here alpha multiply with this one. So this is in the form of sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, 2 sin A, 2 cos A sin A, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B, 2 cos A sin A, denominator also. That's why here you have to take common cos 2n alpha, cos 2 cos n alpha is common and both numerator and denominator gets cancelled. Sin alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. Sin alpha is 2 sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. 1 plus cos alpha is 2 cos square alpha by 2. After getting cancelled we get, that is tan alpha by 2. Now we are going to the practicing questions. Tan alpha by 2, that is in first option. That's all. Now we are going to the practicing questions. Okay, you can practice these questions similar to previous questions. Okay, right. Bye.